Okay. Okay, so this is, now watch your hand. And there's a button there on top, watch out. Okay, so this is your typical Kenmore Whirlpool design. This one's made by Kirkland.
Es típico de Kenmore, pero es marca Kirkland.
And so this one won't spin.
Esa máquina no trabaja, no da vuelta.
And then it won't agitate.
Y no mueve.
And then, so first thing you want to do is disconnect the...
Desconectar ese.
This is the lid switch.
Switch it por tapón.
You should hear that sound if the switch is good. If you don't hear that sound, then it's probably not good.
Escucha ese sonido si sirve el switch.
And so you stick a screwdriver in here.
Metes el armador aquí.
And pull that back. And there's one here. You just take
quitar
that
esos
out.
fierritos.
And to put it back, you just put it back in and then push it down.
Lo mete y lo pasa.
So set that there and then just pull it like so.
El cascarón.
And you might want to get down here so you can see. And so if you want to check your water pump, you just pull these two off.
Bomba de agua para revisarlo.
You look and see if there's any water down there.
Y puso agua tirado.
And you can take this and make sure that it's spinning okay.
Revisa a ver si da vuelta.
And, so this is what they call a direct drive washing machine. So
direct drive washing,
yeah.
Máquina de lavar.
And this is the drive coupler that we're going to put on there because it's, the other one got broken.
Aquí es el coupling que van a poner, que el otro se fue quebrado. Por eso no sirve la máquina.
And so some of these have the nuts right here you have to take off.
Tuercas para sacar aquí.
And so there's one. This is the motor connector. We take that off.
Conector por motor.
And then the other screw on the bottom. And then let's take the clip off on the top. Just like that. And then the other one on the bottom. The motor off. This one already came off. It was broken and it already came off. Somebody already looked at it, so I'm going to put it on. Just goes like that. So that should be in there and it should be flush. So the shaft should be... Alright. The shaft should be almost sticking out right there. Yeah. Then this one goes inside right here. So you have to make sure that this the shaft is also flush inside there.
Es metido completamente.
So that it's on there good. Because if it's not on there all the way, then it'll come back out. So sometimes you have to tap it, not too hard though. Anyway, that's how you put the drive coupler in. Put your rubber in there. And just put it back in, line it up.
Linearlo.
And so if you want to get this part, you can send me if you're in the United States or Mexico, I'll send it to you for $10. You could just send it.
Which part?
This part, the drive coupler, this part, the three pieces.
Los tres piezas por $10. Manda a dirección.
P.O. Box 7021, Eureka.
7021. 7021.
Yeah,
7021 Eureka, California.
95502.
95502.
And so, yeah, you just assemble it in reverse order. You start with the top one, and then the bottom one, and then put the water pump back on. Line the water pump up. That. Put the clips back on. And just put her back together and should be good.